there's something on the lens. Much better. I've been putting off a couple of difficult cuts that I have to make in the tile, and I'm gonna try and get those done today. Right here, this small triangular piece, it has some cutouts around the trim. And then on this side, I want to cut this piece as well. And then hopefully I can get those tiles installed. The tiles over here that I cut yesterday, and get them all installed today. So I'm going to use my contour to get this design as best I can. I've got the contour itself is perpendicular to the stair. And that should give me something to trace onto the tile. So what I'm going to do to get the angle right is I'm going to set this tile right along this cut edge, parallel to the stair. I'm going to mark where the tile reaches the edge. And the same thing over here. So that's the straight edge of the tile. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect these two spots with a parallel or with a straight line, and then I'm going to draw a parallel line starting about there to give me a little extra material to work with, and then trim it down from there. Let's see how this fits in the general scheme of things. All right, actually it needs to sit like that, so I need to make this cut. All right, my 90-degree angles, I'm going the wrong way. Instead of being here, I need it to be here, so. All right, we'll make another cut here in a minute. Not yet. I've got some trimming to do. It looks like I need to adjust my angle a little bit too. It does. I have to take a little bit off of this end, so just make this a little bit of a sharper angle so that I get the space that I need. But this should be, I'll get the spacer, but this should be pretty close over here to the 1/8 inch I need.
Just, I want to, like, that angle is just so incredible. You did an amazing job.
Thanks.
Oh, it looks so amazing.
I'm happy with it, as long as you are.
How could you not be?
Well, because I'm a perfectionist. And there's about a 1/32 inch gap. All right, I've got a scrap piece of tile right here. So what I'm gonna do is use my contour, get all of this contoured and transfer it over to this scrap tile. I'm gonna cut this out to get the angles right, and then transfer that over to the tile that I'm actually gonna cut. So I thought that getting the angles right would be a lot more difficult than it was. It only took me like 3 trips back to the saw to get that. So I initially put it on a scrap piece and was planning on transferring the angles.
It's
If
like
I had just done it,
3.5.
Yeah, it's 3.5 more inches. So basically, I'll just add 3.5 inches to that. So that's 6 3/8. Should put me at 9 7/8. And then I'll go cut the real one.
I'm so sorry.
No, it's okay.
It looks so good. I don't think anyone could do it better.
I'll bet they could.
Let me
not
compliment you.
Thank you. That'll do, pig. That'll do.
I'm so excited. Our pool table is here. Jonah is moving our car so that they can get closer to the house, and then they're gonna start bringing the pool table in and putting it together. I'm not sure if this entryway table is gonna stay here. Jonah actually made this for me for a gift. I believe it was a Christmas or an anniversary a few years ago. And then a friend gave us the bench to go around the pool table. So we're not quite sure what the placement of it's going to be, but it's here and we'll get to figure it out. All right, we just set the table where it's going to live. We have, I think, 52 inches on each side. Absolutely love the color.
Our slate pieces are getting brought in. This one's got some cool veining in it. So the guys just finished setting up the pool table. Super happy with it. Can't wait to play. If you go to a pool hall or billiards room or whatever, you'll see that like there's a big skid mark where people always put the cue ball when they hit, because it slides before it starts to roll. This is to help prevent that. So you put that on there, put the cue ball on there when you break.
Thank you for watching today's video. If you would like to support us, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.